Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word anti-ice in depth. First, the definition. Anti-ice means a system preventing ice buildup on aircraft surfaces during flight. Think of it simply as a shield keeping the wings and engine parts free from dangerous ice. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Anti-ice technology became crucial with the rise of commercial aviation in the 1930s. Over time, it's been used by pilots and engineers to make flying safer in cold weather. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use anti-ice in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The pilot activated the anti-ice system to ensure the wings stayed clear of ice during the storm. Correct example 2. Before takeoff, the crew checked the anti-ice controls to avoid delays. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to anti-ice my coffee, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using anti-ice correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Anti-ice means a system preventing ice buildup on aircraft surfaces during flight. It comes from aviation safety needs in the early 20th century, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with anti-ice down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.